My name is Anthony Perrone, and I'm the CEO of Pin Chasers, Inc. Pin Chasers and Big C have had a partnership for 8 years now, I believe. On a daily basis, we feel that they are prepared to work on our business. Our most recent ad campaign that we've done with Big C, being largely digital, has helped us have the greatest summer we've ever had in our business in our 60 years. Sometimes you get so internal, it does not allow you to see the opportunities that you have. And when you work with an agency, especially an agency like Big C, that takes the time to learn our business and learn what's impactful in our business and how to influence people to experience our business, they help us make it easy for our customers to do business with us, to know who we are, to know what we can do for them, and they generally make it easy for our customer base to have fun in our buildings, which is what it's all about.